I'm Shanil, and today I'm going to show you how to make an epic ride video using your Go 2. So get on your bike and let's get started. To edit your footage into an epic ride video, go to Stories, Flash Cut, and choose the Epic Ride template. Select your footage. Tap the yellow button and then Preview. Let the AI work its auto-editing magic. And just like that, you now have an epic ride video. Tap Save Video and share it with your friends and family. The best part is that you did not have to do any editing, so you can focus on having fun and let the AI do all the hard work. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.